Now after completion of this isometric scale, now we are going to see with the isometric view of the planes. Here comes that our topic starts. So for example, I am just explaining with one of the square plane whose side is of around like 30 mm. I am considering it as this one. Now how do we need to draw its isometric front view and how do we need to draw its isometric top view? So here, as of the thing that whenever the plane is supposed to be set, its surface is parallel to VP. So then we need to draw the vertical isometric plane, that which is supposed to be representing the isometric view, as what I am going to show it right now in the figure. And when we are about to be drawing the plane which is parallel to HP, and that isometric view also now I am going to explain it to you. So right now, first I am going to show you this square lamina. So when it is parallel to VP, so how you need to draw and what are the things that you are supposed to see that are visible, that I'll explain to you in detail. So first, how we need to draw. First, draw a horizontal line which should be very light and mark the point over here on this one. So here we have two methodologies. The two methods I will be showing it to you when it is kept parallel to VP. So that how we are supposed to make it. So right now, using protractor, so one will be, so the axis, so one will be the perpendicular. So just measure the length of, this will be the isometric length. So first mark this point. So I am giving the markings here: A, B, C, D. So the first point I am marking it here as A, the one as B. Now over here at the bottom, you need to take an angle measurement of 30 degrees. So right now over here, again keeping from the point B to this point at an angle of 30 degrees, draw the isometric length of that using the previous formula, that this will be the true length. So you need to use the formula like isometric length is equals to 0.816 into true length. So based on that dimensions you need to mention. And same manner over at this corner, mark this point as C, and from this corner mark this length and join this. So this end, whatever I am getting it as 0.30. So here it's an angle, what you get it, 30 degrees. So that one over here, that what you are measuring. So right now, how you need to mark the dimensions? Just draw the line, draw the dimensional line, and the dimension should also be parallel to this side. This is the one. So this is given around like 30, and here the height. Draw the dimension line. This one. So this is one of the way. Just when you see it from this side, this one will be obviously parallel to. So the another one also I am explaining it to you. So keeping its plane towards the right side. Now we can also keep towards the left side also. The same manner you need to go ahead for construction. Just drawing a line. this side at an angle of 30 degrees. That's all. So here it comes A, B, C, D. So this will be at an angle of 30 degrees. So right now the dimensions as what you have done over here, you can just make it over here also. Just I'm mentioning it here roughly. It's 30, and with respect to its height, this is the one. So this is the one what you see it from with respect to its front view. Now the top view. So how do we need to do it? So which is parallel to HP. These two planes, when you are just about to see from this side, this will be parallel to VP and this one will be parallel to VP. So any one of the method you can adopt for drawing. So the next one is when you see it from the top view. So drawing, when you see it from the top view, how we need to draw, that I'll explain to you. Drawing a line, mark the point over here. So here we need to take it from both sides at an angle of 30 degrees. Keeping your protractor over here on this line. First you need to draw a line, you need to mark the point here, and from this point mark an angle of 30 degrees here, mark an angle of 30 degrees. So now the isometric line should be marked over here. Just this line and this line to be parallel. So just you need to fix your drafter scale, the knob will be there, no, that you need to put it off, and just nothing but it should be parallel. Just it should be parallel in this manner. And the same thing, the other line what you are drawing, it should be parallel to this. So this is the one. So this will be maintaining an angle of 30 degrees at both sides, and the rest of the thing you can mark the dimensions over for this. So this is the one. This is these figures. So this is a front view. These two pictures represents the front view portion. I mean, either you can draw this one or this one. I'll put it here, or any one you can adopt. So based on the shape of the picture, and this will be the top view. This is for top view visualization, and this is for front view visualization. Anyone, either this picture or this picture. So this is the way that what you need to draw for the isometric planes. So the next one I'm going for explaining the triangle.